Okay. Everyone start singing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Davis. Happy birthday to you.
Gonna blow it out?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Alright, go for it.
Gonna eat it?
Lauren found that piece of
What am I looking for?
You gotta eat it.
Oh,
Put
I
your hands
found
in it.
Got it.
What is it?
Ready?
It's
It's a piece of stuff.
He's like, I don't know.
It's made in an angel food.
Am I allowed to eat this?
And so it had a hole in it.
Mmm, what's it taste like? Is it good?
Yum, yum, yum.
Good? Eat it.
Yum, yum, yum.
Put your hands in it.
This is your one chance.
come on.
You can make a big mess.
There's no one over there.
He does, he's not sure what.
I'm gonna get in trouble if I do this.
Like, just like that.
Put your hands in it. There you go. Ready?
Not like that.
Stick.
See? Just like that.
Yes.
Mmm.
Maybe we
That's
should
good.
put some dog food on it.
Yeah. Something you're not supposed to have.
Yay! Is that good? Is
You like it?
Get that finger up. Get that finger up. Try it.
Is it yummy?
Keep going.
Oh, okay, now I think I can get into this.
Use both hands.
Come on.
That puts me in out, buddy boo.
Yeah, throw it in the air.
Just like that.
You don't have to be neat about it. You can just grab it.
Is it good?
That was like the great bean
See Will? You pointing?
Yeah. You see him? He's taking pictures.
You pointing at everybody?
Come on. More?
Yes.
No.
You gonna eat your cake? Yeah. You better make a mess while you can.
Pepper. Be good.
Easy.
Pepper, just come over here.
Pepper, you wanna eat some cake?
I know.
Pepper
Pepper would eat it.
Well, yeah. What you doing, buddy?
Is Joseph taking photos? Come on.
I'm not so sure.
All right, buddy.
Gonna eat it? Mommy feed it to you. Mmm.
Right down the front.
Huh?
I got you.
I can't believe he's not like thinking that. Well,
I'm gonna carry you across the skateboard.
See your balloons?
I didn't walk all around.
What is that? Yeah.
See more balloons?
Keep shaking his head.
You try it?
Mommy's gonna eat it.
Exactly. He's like, everybody's staring at me. I'm so conscious of what I'm eating. Is that good?
Mmm.
Isn't that good?
Well, careful. Don't get you rough.
I hadn't tasted anything like this before.
What is that?
It probably is the sweetest he's ever had.
Yay! Clapping. Are you working the crowd?
Yeah.
You know how to get a reaction.
Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Yeah. Is that one of your new things? Willow says, that's cool.
You like that?
Its nose goes up. Yes, it has.
Yay!
Look up here.
Smile for the camera, Davis.
It's all the
Yeah?
points.
Cameras everywhere.
I got you.
Are you gonna have any more, buddy? We're gonna save this for later.
Give him a spoon.
Spoon.
He's just inside watching everybody else.
Where'd mommy go? All done? Are you all done already? Oh, look what mommy gave you. Can you use your spoon?
Can you use it?
With the proper motion, you can pass that thing all the way across the room.
You getting your picture taken?
You're just not into eating cake right now, are you?
Those peppers like leaking drops on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why, yeah, Pepper's there searching.
There you go. Dig in.
He said, come on, Davis, come on, don't let me down, drop some.
Pepper. Enough. I gotta say, kid, it was kind of anticlimactic.
Might be a little different next year.
Yes.
Joseph's first birthday in Mom and Dad's kitchen, he always put wrong hearts.
Yeah, chocolate cupcake. I was insisting he had the same kind of cake that I had grown up.
Are you gonna get it?
A Hershey cake.
Is it good?
70s, 80s.
Get it.
I love Hershey.
Grab it.
How about I just plug it in instead of eating it?
That works.
Shove the hand in and see what happens.
So he's never had anything sweeter than this?
No. This is sweet.
Everywhere.